Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, July the 1st, 2024. It's also today war day number 861. 861 days ago, the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed in the world. All right, we have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. And I've not so good news for today because we have today in the daily newspaper no extra puzzles, no additional. Let me show you in the newspaper no extra puzzles. So only 3 puzzles I will do this afternoon. Yeah, tomorrow will be another day, so will be puzzles in tomorrow's newspaper. But today only 3. Alright, let me start with these 3 regular puzzles. The first one is the Sudoku with 3 stars. And this will be number 8834. Yeah, 8834. And let me zoom this in. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. 26, that means should be at 2 stars here. A 3 stars puzzle has always 25 printed digits. This one has 26. And for a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, and for a 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or a 2 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. In this column, we have 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this column is the number 9. Here can be 9, we have a 9 in this second row, so no 9 there. Here can be 9, we have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 there. Only place left for the 9 in this column. They should be there. Alright. 2 numbers left now in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 6. We have an 8 and a 6 in this row. So no 8 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. 8 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 6, 8 and 6. We have a 6 in the last column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then, let me see. So we have a 6 in the last row. 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Need a 7 here, need a 9 here. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. The 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column, so the column between. The only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 in the row below, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 9, okay. Alright. Then, let me see. How about that? 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8, 8. 8, 8. Okay. And now. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below, so last row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here, 4 in the last column. 4 in that column, so the column between, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4. Yeah. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above. Only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this first column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column, so the column between the second column. Only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, so the third row. Only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 4. Alright, 6, 6. Need a 6 there. Yeah. 6, 6. Come on. How about the number 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place level 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places level 7 should be here. Or there we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7, 7, cannot continue with the 7 now, need to wait. How about 5 here. Come on. 1, 3, 5. Well. Yeah. 1, 5. 1, 5 should be the 3 and 2. Yeah, 3 and a 2. Well, we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place level 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box level 3 in this row should be there. And a 1 and a 5. Need a 1 here. Yeah. 1 and a 5. 2 and 3. Okay. 2 and a 6. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, so we have a 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between the middle column. Only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column, so the column between, only 2 places left, 2 should be here. On there, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row, so the first row, the only 2 places left, 2 should be here. Or there, we have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 2. Alright, and now. Let me see, which number can I pick? 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next on that column. Only 2 places level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the third row, 6 in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 6. Okay. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in the first row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for 1 in this big square. Should be there. Then 1 and 5, 1 and 5, 1 and 5. 1 box left in the second row. For number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 1, 5, 8. 8 in this row, third row. 8 in the second row, so the first row. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 and 5, Come on, 1 and a 5. I'm missing the 1 and a 5. 8 in this column, first column, 8 in the second column, so the fifth column. The only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in that row. So the row between. The only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. This is number 5, number 8. Okay. Then, how about the 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column 3. The middle column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Come on. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. And I need a 3 there. Alright. 1 and a 5. 1, 5, 3, and I need a 7. Where's the 7? 7. No 7 here, no 7 here. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. On that column, only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between. The only place left. The 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 6, number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So 3 missing numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. Well. 1, 3, 5. Come on. 1 and a 5 is missing. 1 and a 5 is missing. 1 and a 5 is missing. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. 1 and 5. 1, 3, 5. Come on. 3. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1, 3, 5. Well, here can be 3. We have a 3 in second column. No 3 there. Here can be 3. We have a 3 in this row. So no 3. The only place level 3 should be there. 3 in the first column. 3 in the second column. So the third column. The only place level 3 should be there. 3 in this row. 3 in the row below. So the last row. The only place level 3 should be there. 3 in this column. Oh, 1. 1, 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5 are missing. 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 1 is missing. We have a 3 here, so the 5. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left, same numbers, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 goes there. We have a 3 here, so the 1 and the 5 are left. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Here also 1 and a 5. We have a 3 here. So 1 and a 5, we have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And we have a 3 here, so the 1 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. We have a 3 here, so the 1 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And the same numbers, the 1 and the 5, we have a 3 here. So the 1 and the 5, we have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes. And there, 30 minutes. Well, 30 minutes. We solve it again. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. It should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. The 4 Star Sudoku and the binary. Until then, bye-bye for now.